Hey, what's up, Dent coil holder? So this is live price prediction of May 2025, my friend. And this month, I hope Dent coin moving like a rocket. Definitely, in the start of month, every coin is gone very badly, fails down. But Dent coin, I think they also fails down starting now. But let's see, my friends, what's going on in the Dent coin. Let's see, and what's the prediction to upcoming days. They going up or fails down. Please, before I start the video, I request you to subscribe ABS Tech channel. Please click out the red button and press bell icon for videos notification. This time, if you can see here, my friends, Dent coin is also fails down in the last 1 hour chart is on the screen, and this time minus 0.53%. This is very short change occur, but this is fails down after this jump, my friend. After this they fails down, but definitely, my friend, all cryptocurrencies going in this circulation to after a jump they fails down, and after a fails they take a jump. So this time also after a jump they fails down, but I hope in upcoming time after this fails they take a very short jump. So the good time is coming soon, my friend. This month, this week, my friend, is very bad gone now, because in every cryptocurrency is very badly fails down in the start of month. So I hope in upcoming week, I hope they give you very good profit and they make you millionaire. So the good time is coming soon. Please hold it and don't sell it and wait for a good time. My expectation is very good, my friend, from Dent, because they sometime go like a rocket. Definitely they're going like a rocket, so please hold it. They make you millionaire. And if you enjoy this video, please like this video. If you need this type more informative, please subscribe this channel and press bell icon for videos notification. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video, subscribe this channel.